Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a donation letter in memory of someone. This letter is a formal message sent to a charitable organization expressing your intent to make a donation in honor of a loved one who has passed away. You begin with your full contact details, followed by the date. Then you address the letter to the charity, including their name and address. Your subject line clearly states the purpose: a donation in memory of the deceased. You respectfully open the letter with a salutation to the charity representative or use a general greeting like "Sir, Madam" if the name is unknown. After that, write, "I am writing to make a donation in loving memory of full name who recently passed away on date of passing. They were deeply committed to cause or mission, e.g. animal welfare, education, cancer research, and it is my sincere wish to honor their legacy through this contribution. Please accept my enclosed donation of amount to support the ongoing efforts of your organization." This gesture is meant not only to remember names, compassion, and values, but also to continue the good work they believed in. I would appreciate it if you could acknowledge this donation and, if possible, notify family contact's name if desired at their address email of this tribute. Thank you for all the work you do in making a difference. Sincerely, your signature if printed your full name. Here's our sample donation letter in memory of someone. You'll notice how it thoughtfully conveys the purpose of the donation, honors the memory of the deceased, and maintains a respectful and compassionate tone throughout. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing heartfelt, personal, and formal letters.